guys, welcome back to Euphoriya. It's been so long since I've uploaded anything on YouTube and I'm sorry about that. It's just my boards are coming, so I'm very busy with my studies and it's really hard to manage a YouTube channel while preparing for my exam, so I hope you will understand. Anyways, somehow I managed to vlog about how I spend my Durga Puja. Those who don't know what is Durga Puja, so basically in short, it's a very big and famous festival of India. This festival is also known as a festival of lights. I hope you will enjoy the vlog. Also, before starting the video, let me tell you guys that it is also my first time revealing myself to you guys. I don't know what you will think about me, but I hope you will like it. So let's get into it.
Beautiful people open their mouths and smell like weird lunch. Useless equals open their bodies, acting like somebody. Beautiful martyrs licking their angel figurines clean. Firework stars popping their cans to 𝕚𝕚𝕤𝕚. And I wonder who I wanna see most like. I just can't remember why I took the chance to hide. And I wonder why they care about my face. Living like a cave woman, getting ready for a date. Hideous labors, painting all over my mother's gate. American containers, they will not let. Old conversations stuck in my head. Don't wanna live with regrets. If I hold you now, would I lose you forever? They say good things never last. I think it's worth whatever we have. At the end of it, we'll sit and cry. Touch my body, tell me you want me. Head in the clouds when you're whispering softly. Nightly we meet and nightly we see it. Running down, going down, now you want more. Drink too much, got a bill that we can't afford. Summer night, empty street is a dance floor. Running down, going down till we got bored. Thought of you slipping in through the back door. Running down, but what's it all for?
We got no room for a life on the west side. I tried to align with the stop signs. Switch planes 2 time zones behind. And I hope, girl, you just understand. College ain't part of the plan. Yeah, I'm sorry. Tell me you love me. Can you
Touch my body, tell me you want me. Head in the clouds when you're whispering softly. Nightly we meet and nightly we see it. Running down, going down, now you want more. Drink too much, got a bill that we can't afford. Summer night, empty street is a dance floor. Running down, what's it all for?